Blockchain Technology Briefing, December 12, 2024. Blockchain technology is expected to see widespread application across various industries by 2025, bringing greater transparency, security, and efficiency to traditional systems. Key application areas include *. 1. Government services. * Blockchain is utilized to establish secure and reliable electronic voting systems and digital land registration systems, enhancing transparency and efficiency in public services. 2. Education sector. * Blockchain is used for issuing and verifying digital certificates, degrees, and transcripts, simplifying the verification process for employers regarding applicants' qualifications. 3. Creative industries. * Blockchain empowers creators with more rights and revenue, enabling ownership traceability and automated copyright revenue through NFTs and smart contracts. 4. Financial inclusion. * Blockchain supports decentralized finance (DeFi) services, providing secure and transparent loans, borrowing, and cross-border remittance services to unbanked populations. 5. Sustainable development. * Blockchain is used to track and verify carbon emission credits, facilitating renewable energy trading and providing technological support for sustainable development. 6. Legal industry. * Blockchain supports the application of smart contracts, streamlining legal processes such as real estate transactions and intellectual property management. 7. Internet of Things (IoT). The integration of blockchain with IoT ensures the security and credibility of IoT data, applicable in areas like smart city management. Overall, blockchain technology is reshaping traditional operational models across industries, promising a future that is more secure, transparent, and efficient for society. Summary of articles. *. Ethereum price outlook. Potential to break $5,000. Article overview. * 1. Investor demand, on-chain metrics, and network activity indicate that Ethereum, ETH, is poised to reach the $5,000 mark for the first time. 2. ETH spot ETFs have seen net inflows for 13 consecutive days, totaling nearly $2 billion. Trading volume has also surged, with daily transactions rising from 5 million in 2023 to between 6.5 million and 7.5 million. 3. The total supply of ETH has reached its highest level since April 2023, but the amount of ETH destroyed through transaction fees is also increasing, creating a supply contraction that may exert deflationary pressure on ETH prices. 4. Increased activity on the Ethereum network reflects the ongoing development and adoption of decentralized applications. These factors collectively suggest that ETH may set a new all-time high, potentially exceeding the $5,200 ceiling established in 2021. 5. Additionally, Donald Trump's election as U.S. president has generated more optimistic expectations for the DeFi market, further driving up the prices of ETH and other DeFi tokens. In summary, supported by multiple factors such as investor demand, on-chain metrics, and regulatory expectations, Ethereum is likely to maintain a strong upward trend in 2025, with the potential to break the $5,000 barrier and create new historical highs. Investors should closely monitor Ethereum's subsequent performance. Insufficient relevant content to generate news report. Briefing: New developments in the Solana ecosystem. 1. Max Resnick, a well-known Ethereum developer, has joined Solana's development company, Anza, attracting significant attention in the cryptocurrency community. This indicates that the Solana ecosystem is drawing more top talent and is likely to drive innovation at the protocol level. 2. Resnick stated that he would draft a comprehensive specification for the Solana protocol within 100 days, reflecting his high regard for Solana's technology. Anza's behind-the-scenes contributions to network optimization have also garnered attention, suggesting that Solana may be poised for a major upgrade. 3. Despite joining Solana, Resnick plans to maintain connections with Ethereum, demonstrating his vision of bridging the two ecosystems. This cross-chain thinking could foster collaboration and innovation in the cryptocurrency space. 4. Market expectations for Solana are generally optimistic, with SOL's price recently surging by 5.9% to $225, reflecting investor confidence. However, analysts have significant disagreements regarding SOL's future price predictions, cautioning investors to consider macroeconomic factors. Overall, the Solana ecosystem is attracting more top talent and is expected to achieve significant breakthroughs at the protocol level, but investors should remain cautious of the high volatility in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin ETF Briefing, December 12, 2024. Key Information Points *. 1. The Bitcoin ETF's asset size has surpassed $100 billion, making it the largest holder of Bitcoin, exceeding even the holdings of Bitcoin's creator, Satoshi Nakamoto. 2. The Bitcoin ETF accounts for 1% of the entire ETF market's asset share, marking an important milestone. This indicates that Bitcoin has become a must-have asset for institutional investors. 3. The popularity of the Bitcoin ETF is attributed to long-standing investment demand and the continued rise of the cryptocurrency market. 4. In the future, the Bitcoin ETF is expected to surpass the gold ETF by 2025, becoming one of the largest ETF products. This will require further improvements in the regulatory environment and increased participation from institutional investors. 5. The regulatory officials nominated by Trump, who have a friendly stance towards cryptocurrencies, have further propelled the rise in Bitcoin prices. Summary *. The rapid development of the Bitcoin ETF signifies Bitcoin's formal entry into mainstream financial markets, establishing it as an essential asset allocation for institutional investors. In the coming years, driven by an improved regulatory environment and increased institutional capital, the Bitcoin ETF is likely to surpass the gold ETF, becoming one of the largest ETF products. Vitalik Buterin Briefing, December 12, 2024. 1. Vitalik Buterin has proposed a future vision for Web3 wallets, emphasizing the need to improve security and privacy while simplifying transfers across Layer 2 networks. 2. He suggested integrating privacy features directly into all Web3 wallets, rather than relying on specialized privacy wallets. One proposed solution is for wallets to store a portion of assets in a privacy pool as a private balance for fund transfers, enhancing on-chain privacy. 3. To improve security, Buterin recommended incorporating multi-signature authorization in all Web3 wallets, requiring multiple signers to authorize transactions, providing an additional layer of protection. 4. To simplify transfers across Layer 2 networks, Buterin urged wallet developers to add functionality allowing users to send tokens directly to wallets on different L2 networks. He proposed a new address format that includes L2 network identifiers, such as email protected. 5. Buterin has been advocating for accelerated decentralization of Layer 2 and plans to only publicly mention networks with valid fraud proofs or validity proof schemes before 2025. 6. These suggestions mark a significant advancement for Web3 wallets, prioritizing security and usability in development. As a co-founder of Ethereum, Buterin's vision sets new standards for the entire industry. 7. Despite the Ethereum Foundation selling 2,500 ETH, Ethereum's resilience remains evident, with ETH prices rising 6% within a week, nearing $4,000. Overall, Buterin has presented a comprehensive vision for Web3 wallets, emphasizing security, privacy, and interoperability across Layer 2 networks, setting new standards for the entire cryptocurrency industry. Meanwhile, Ethereum's fundamentals remain robust, demonstrating strong resilience. Briefing content *. Subject: Changpeng Zhao. 1. Amazon shareholders will decide at next year's annual meeting whether to include Bitcoin, BTC, in the company's financial reserves. 2. Binance co-founder Changpeng Zhao stated that a simpler solution would be to accept Bitcoin payments. However, he also acknowledged that BTC is not a perfect payment method, noting that he had to wait 15 minutes for confirmation on a $17.08 Bitcoin payment yesterday, although it is still better than traditional finance since it doesn't require a phone call to resolve issues. 3. The conservative think tank National Center for Public Policy Research submitted a proposal last week requesting Amazon's board to evaluate whether adding Bitcoin to the company's financial reserves is in the best long-term interests of shareholders. However, Microsoft shareholders voted against a similar proposal this week. 4. Meanwhile, the surge in Tesla's stock price and the increase in SpaceX's valuation have boosted Elon Musk's net worth by $6.3 billion to $447 billion, surpassing Amazon founder Jeff Bezos to become the world's richest person. Musk's wealth has grown nearly 20-fold over the past 5 years. In summary, the article discusses Changpeng Zhao, Bitcoin payments, and the surge in Elon Musk's wealth, highlighting the most valuable information points and succinctly summarizing the entire text. Briefing content ***. On December 12, 2024, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong publicly criticized SEC Commissioner Caroline A. Crenshaw, stating that she has performed poorly in handling Bitcoin ETF issues and should be replaced. Armstrong noted that the cryptocurrency community is closely monitoring this vote and will factor it into their scorecard for standing with cryptocurrencies. Crenshaw, a Democrat nominated by former President Trump, was unanimously confirmed by the Senate in 2020. Her term is set to expire this year. In January, she expressed dissent regarding the SEC's decision to approve a spot Bitcoin ETF, calling it unreasonable and lacking historical precedent. This Wednesday, the Senate Banking Committee will vote on Crenshaw's reappointment. The SEC's 5-member commission cannot have more than 3 members from the same political party. Currently, the SEC has 3 Democrats and 2 Republicans, although Chair Gary Gensler and Commissioner Hester Pierce, both Democrats, have announced plans to resign in early 2025. Briefing ***. On December 12, 2024, Charlie Lee became a focal point. Based on multiple articles, the following key information points can be summarized. 1. The 2025 Sundance Film Festival will showcase 87 feature films and 6 episodic works, including new projects starring Jennifer Lopez, Dylan O'Brien, and Chloe Sevigny. 2. Sundance Film Festival directors Eugene Hernandez and Kim Yutani stated that this year's selections reflect a more personalized perspective and unique narrative styles, with over 40% of the works coming from first-time feature filmmakers. 3. Jennifer Lopez's starring role in Kiss of the Spider-Woman is a highlight of this year's Sundance, produced by Ben Affleck and Matt Damon's Artists Equity. 4. In addition to popular works, this year's Sundance features many noteworthy indie gems, such as Together and Dead Lover. 5. Overall, this year's Sundance Film Festival presents a more personalized and innovative array of independent films, offering audiences a fresh cinematic experience. Briefing, December 12, 2024. Subject, Gavin Wood. Overview ***. 1. Political changes have introduced uncertainty into major energy-related purchasing decisions. Biden-era energy tax credits and incentives may be eliminated under the new administration of Donald Trump. 2. The Trump administration may use budget reconciliation processes to adjust energy policies, but the specifics remain to be seen. Electric vehicle tax credits could be eliminated, solar energy tax credits may be reduced, and the future of home energy efficiency tax credits is also uncertain. 3. State-level solar and energy efficiency incentive policies may not be significantly impacted by federal policy changes. However, consumers should carefully consider the potential implications of federal policy changes when making major energy investment decisions. 4. Executives from Canadian Airlines will attend government hearings to respond to issues regarding baggage fees and other surcharges. This reflects the trend of airlines increasingly relying on ancillary revenue as a primary income source. 5. European stock markets rose overall, primarily benefiting from expectations that the Federal Reserve may cut interest rates at its December meeting. However, some companies, such as clothing retailer Inditex and optical equipment manufacturer Carl Zeiss, reported poor performance, dragging down overall market performance. In summary, the uncertainty surrounding political and regulatory environments poses challenges for consumers and businesses in energy investment decisions, necessitating close attention to related policy changes. Additionally, the operational status of airlines and the retail sector is also worth monitoring. Briefing, December 12, 2024, Joseph Lubin's multifaceted career and the rise of Ethereum. Joseph Lubin is a versatile figure in the technology and finance sectors. After obtaining a degree in electrical engineering and computer science from Princeton University, he engaged in research in areas such as autonomous mobile robotics, machine vision, and artificial neural networks, before venturing into music composition, software engineering, finance, and cryptography. 2 years ago, he was invited to join the Ethereum project, marking the beginning of his new journey in the blockchain and Web3 space. According to a recent report from Consensus, Nigeria continues to lead globally in cryptocurrency ownership and adoption. The report indicates that 99% of Nigerians have heard of cryptocurrencies, 77% have a deep understanding of them, 84% own at least one cryptocurrency wallet, and 94% plan to purchase NFTs within the next 12 months. Additionally, 92% of Nigerians wish to have better control over their online identities, and 80% are familiar with the concept of decentralization. Lubin emphasizes the critical role of blockchain and decentralization in enhancing privacy, trust, and transparency. He believes that as global attention to data privacy increases and concerns about information manipulation and misinformation grow, blockchain technology will play a key role in the future. He stated that as the regulatory environment becomes clearer and acceptance of decentralization and cryptocurrencies rises, the blockchain and Web3 industry will provide more educational and innovative support to users, potentially addressing many complex challenges facing the world today. Briefing, December 12, 2024, Wu Jihan, the undisputed king of cryptocurrency mining machines and pools. Wu Jihan is the undisputed king in the field of cryptocurrency mining machines and pools. His company, Bitmain, based in Beijing, has reached a valuation of $12 billion following its latest funding round. Wu has been a strong supporter of Bitcoin Cash, a controversial fork of Bitcoin. Earlier this year, his company led a $110 million funding round for Circle, the highest-valued cryptocurrency startup in the U.S. Wu expressed interest in stablecoins, price-stable virtual currencies, and plans to diversify Bitmain's business by developing artificial intelligence chips. Andreas M. Antonopoulos Briefing, December 12, 2024. This briefing focuses on renowned cryptocurrency expert Andreas M. Antonopoulos, with the following main points. 1. Antonopoulos participated in a podcast episode discussing the game Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity is a play-to-earn game based on the Ethereum blockchain, widely popular in places like the Philippines. 2. The game allows players to buy, breed, trade, and battle Axie's characters in the form of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, with some players even earning enough income to quit their formal jobs. 3. During the pandemic, Axie Infinity became a livelihood for many. Some wealthy individuals or groups participated through scholarship and loan programs, sparking ethical discussions about low-wage job exports and geographic opportunity inequality. 4. The podcast explored whether Axie Infinity is a solution or a scam, and whether the platform can maintain long-term relevance. 5. Additionally, the episode mentioned an internal leak incident at MailChimp, posing risks to cryptocurrency holders, and proposed 3 simple protective rules. In summary, this briefing comprehensively encapsulates the relevant podcast content featuring Antonopoulos, focusing on the Axie Infinity game and its socio-economic discussions, while also addressing the MailChimp security incident. The content is rich, informative, highlighting the most valuable points while succinctly summarizing the entire article,